a leading digital payment service provider in Asia since 2000. Enjoy multilingual, multi-currency, and multi-channel integrations. Get settlements paid locally fast and secure. Want to accept all types of payments into one platform? Sit back and enjoy comprehensive payment coverage from cards, e-banking, prepaids, digital wallets, buy now, pay later, over-the-counter, and future payments. With AsiaPay, your customers will feel like a VIP. Their preferences are memorized, and they can enjoy a smooth payment experience with the latest tokenization technologies. As your business expands to new markets overseas, AsiaPay is readily here to serve. With over 100 partnerships with banks and payment companies, you can integrate with a variety of third-party checkout platforms and help your business to thrive. With the comprehensive multi-level reporting and analytic tools, you can now track all sales and payment patterns across countries with just a tap. Also, AsiaPay is equipped with 3D secure authentication and advanced fraud detection system to ensure that all data and transactions are secure. In case of any issues, our 24/7 support teams will always be available in local time zones and languages. In addition to our key payment solutions, you can now also sell e-tickets, distribute e-vouchers, launch installments, and many more. One stop, one platform, one partner.
I think I'm in this hotel already 12 over years. Right? Previously, we used different payment gateway. Thereafter, we switched to AsiaPay.
Our company have using the digital payment since 2014, so it's already 8 years ago.
I have been working for about 5 years here. Experience me using AsiaPay is quite more than that.
AsiaPay offers multiple cards with multi-linguistic and multi-channel payment solution. Besides its advanced detection and management solution.
Using digital payment, it will increase the sale. Customer can pay at any time and any way. Yeah.
On daily basis, we have to do the reconciliation, which all the finance have to do the reconciliation on their own for each of the transaction. So instead, we do our own. We plug in our payment gateway, which we have in the market right now, AsiaPay.
AsiaPay, the service that provided by them is very good, and their support team is very helpful.
Of course, the reputation in the market as well as the security. That's why we opt for AsiaPay.
AsiaPay is hassle-free. AsiaPay can solve everything. There is no problem that I can say in payment gateway, AsiaPay not going to resolve for you.
While changing technology and digital transformation are creating new business opportunities, it's crucial for business owners to understand how a payment partner in Asia could help to grow your business today and tomorrow successfully. Want to maximize sales conversion in Asia? Well, you need an advanced, secure, multi-channel, multi-currency payment gateway. Well, let's use AsiaPay. AsiaPay serves thousands of merchants across industries and banks in Asia Pacific for over 20 years since the year 2000. Want to explore selling in more channels, but don't want to deal with the chaos? Well, do you know AsiaPay has an all-in-one digital payment service platform that can solve your problem in one click? By partnering with over 100 banks and payment companies, you can integrate your checkout organizedly while accepting digital payments from your customers paying by cards, e-banking, digital wallets, over-the-counter, buy now, pay later, and future payments for over 11 markets in Asian regions, with online, mobile, chatbot, retail, social media, and soon metaverse. With the centralized and efficient management system, AsiaPay can save you time and resource overhead, so you don't need to build and connect all payment methods one by one yourself. And you can switch any bank or payment methods you want hassle-free. So don't handle it alone. Partner with AsiaPay, and together we can work smartly. Contact us and start to accept and enjoy all payment solutions hassle-free in one click now.